Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Cream. First, always start with a freshly cleansed face. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to remove all makeup, dirt, and oils. Pat your skin nearly dry, leaving it just a little damp. This slight moisture helps the hyaluronic acid attract and lock in hydration more effectively, preparing your skin perfectly for the next step. Now let's apply the cream. Take just a small, pea-sized amount of the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Cream onto your fingertips. Gently dot this cream onto different areas of your face, like your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Then, using soft, upward and outward circular motions, massage the cream into your skin until it is completely absorbed. Be gentle around the delicate eye area. For best results, incorporate this cream into your routine 2 times a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, helping to visibly plump it and smooth out the appearance of fine lines. Regular application helps maintain your skin's natural moisture barrier, leading to a more supple and radiant complexion over time. To further enhance your skincare, always follow with a broad-spectrum sunscreen during your morning routine. This protects your newly hydrated skin from environmental damage. For an extra hydration boost, consider layering a hyaluronic acid serum underneath the cream. Remember to store your cream in a cool, dry place to maintain its efficacy. Enjoy your beautifully hydrated and youthful-looking skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.